then Biafrans will be listening. He must know that she's doing, Biafra is a country. It's not just children or the people, maybe those people in the cabinet, because everybody is keeping calm, looking peace with them. She thinks she is doing Nkere, and with his gang, they can maneuver other people. They tried it and they failed. That is this. Okay, let me use this example. Now look at this thing he made yesterday about the. Because I watched it this morning. Our brother Gentle. Which group is bringing this fake news? Is it not from their camp? Not from their camp.
But did you listen to that Papa that always reports from homeland? That
don't mind that man. Which kind of Papa? It's not Papa. It's the only condition that put him that way.
Hey.
You see.
I
don't think he's older than me.
He said something. He said that that is in basis a media that are circulated it. I don't know when he said that, I was like,
tell me one single media. There is no single media. You know, let me be honest with you. When I woke up in the morning yesterday, I saw it with that guy's news. I didn't want to watch it. I just said I don't want anything that will make me angry now. I just remove it. I didn't want to watch it. Until I come and see it, your listing this morning, before I click it from your phone program, and I watched it, and I started hearing what they're saying. And I check all the whole platform of the United States of Biafra. Nobody makes such a thing. No information about no single media from the United States of Biafra that did it. It's just from their own camp that started releasing those fake news.
Yeah.
You see, and they're putting it on top of a woman that didn't know anything about it,
honestly,
about their fake news. So that will show the military the people are dealing with. They don't want, they're just deceiving themselves. And it must be one of them. It must be one of those people that give those guys those news. It must be one of Nkere camp that gives them those news. Just to use it to destroy the Tongaza or the race. But they show now that the kind of people they are.
Honestly. Thank you so much. Okay. Continue.
Thank you, my brother.
One more minute. Continue. Say what you want to say before you go.
Okay. So what I want to tell the Biafrans is this guy now he started understanding that he is going to fall. So his hope can only be when our PM, the Mazdanakan is released. Apart from that, anything he's doing is fake. And there is many information that I will not want to talk about now. You know?
Okay.
About fake ID cards, United States of Biafra, and many other things that is coming out now. You see? So, all these things they are doing, all those things they are doing, they are coming to face the reality, knowing that they have no right to do some of those things they are doing. And very soon they will end. That's the fact. It's only a matter of a short period of time. And I believe me, our PM is a very, very intelligent person. He's a very, 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 very intelligent person. So they should not think that Simon Ekpa is a fool. He's not a fool. Whatever that's going on, he knows how to handle it very, very wonderfully, more than as they expect. So that is my message to them. So any person that's talking about fallback, that person is wasting his time. They are facing the reality. You cannot fight the original.
Thank you.
If you are not original, you are fake. So thank you, my brother.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for your time. So you can still call. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, Kai.
Good evening, sir.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
I never see you online since. I say, I hope it's well.
I am okay.
Okay, because for some time now, I didn't know what the conversation is all about, but I know that for what our brother is saying,